Hello everyone. In this quick tech video, I'm going to show you how to change your default search engine in Microsoft Edge using Windows. To begin with, we're going to open up Microsoft Edge. And over here on the upper right hand corner, you see these three dots and it says Settings and More. We'll click there, and from this drop down menu we come down to Settings. Over on the left hand side of the page, we see Privacy, Search and Services. Click there. And at the very bottom of this page, under Services, you see this address bar and search. Left click on that, and it brings you to this page, where it says Search Engine used in the address bar. You can see by default it says Bing. For this example, we're going to say we want to use Google Search. Left click, and if we were to open up a new window, your address bar is also a search bar. So for example, we wanted to search for YouTube. You can see that it gives us a Google search result. If the search engine you wish to use does not appear in this box, in this drop-down menu, you can click here where it says Manage Search Engines. From this point, you would click here on the Add button, click in the name of the search engine, keyword, and the URL, and then click Add. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.